Empty spaces, what are we living for?
Magandang umaga, mayon buntag, mga dear subscribers. I'm here with my pamilya going to Tagaytay to check out new hotel, which has been open for 6 years. Exactly was opened on November 2016, and the name of that hotel is Escala. Before I continue watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Let's go, tara na! We finally arrived to our hotel and already checked in. It was very quick. Hotel located along the road Tagaytay has magnificent view and it's close to Sky Ranch and Summit Beach. But today we have a foggy day. Looks like this. I can't wait to check the room. Let's go. 3, we arrived to our room. Here we are at L103. It's our room, which is deluxe. Totally here in the hotel 60 rooms, so not a big hotel. We choose the cheapest, I guess, deluxe, but paid 7,000 pesos. Let's see what is inside of the room. So first, it's a wardrobe, which is with mirrors, very comfortable, and it has safety box, slippers, laundry bag, but no bathrobes I requested, so they're brought. So they bring upon your request. Let's check the bathroom. It's very compact. No bathtub, only shower, 2 towels. Very interesting brand. Fig and aloe, sounds good. Smells good. Awesome. Blow dryer, soap. Everything is complete. Let's proceed to the room. So room is not so big. From here is 2 beds, 1 single bed and queen size bed. LED TV. We have here refrigerator, which is empty, but the supermarket close by if you need anything. There is a complimentary water, and coffee is supposed to be empty, but you have to request for that. This is our balcony. Let's check our view. Swimming pool, which has non-heated water, and supposed to be a tall lake with volcano, which not visible today, hopefully tomorrow. Overall, I like this room. It's very cute, compact and cozy. And hotel itself, the structure and everything makes me feel something mystic. I cannot even explain. It's very modern, beautiful. Let's see how it will be with amenities and service and everything. Is it worth it, that price, what we pay? So, for your information, here is infinity pool, kiddie pool, gym, and you can have spa, you can have massage. We are here now in this infinity pool. I already aware that water is not heated, it's not heated pool, so but I'm going to take a dip. Let's check how cold it is. It was challenging for me because I have agoraphobia, which is phobia of open space. I was feeling really very anxious, and I was feeling the water is very cold and it's Tagaytay and it's rainy, but I'm happy I survived it. Yes! Love this swimming pool. Yahoo! For dinner we came here to Bellissima restaurant, which is belong to the hotel, and we order some bulalo. Let's try how is it taste here.
What?
And of course calamansi and some sili.
Okay, I'm ready to eat. My sausawan is ready almost. I will add some soy sauce. And fish sauce. Perfect. Bon appetit. Ah, very soft meat. Literally melting in my mouth. Our first day came to the end. We were ready to sleep. We was very satisfied with dinner and very satisfied with service, with the room itself, with everything. Let's see how it will be for breakfast and how it will be for checkout. So take a note, check-in is at 4 p.m. and check-out is at 2 p.m. So tomorrow we will still have quite some time here. I'm planning to check gym, and for now I need some rest. Good night. Good morning Tagaytay, good morning Escala. Today is the beautiful morning, no fog, and this magnificent view we can see and enjoy, which is this hotel known for the excellent view and good location. Check this out. Yes, and I'm up to some coffee before breakfast. Let's go.
Check out the breakfast items. It was beyond my expectations. I was feeling very satisfied and full.
Morning.
Congee and corn soup.
Extension. Pancakes. Rice station. Salad station.
you. I mean,
It's 1 hour before checkout. We decided look at the gym. So it's a very cute, cozy gym. Everything what needed is here, all necessary things, weights, light weights, heavy weights, yoga mats, benches, gym ball, rowing, bicycle, everything you need. But of course, if it will be many people, then it will be a little bit problematic. But I think it's a very nice gym. I like it. And here also towels, and I guess the alcohol. Yeah. Okay. Let's have some squats. For quick snack, we order pepperoni pizza with olive oil and Tabasco on the side. Alexandra, do you enjoy?
yeah,
Is it one of the best?
it is.
Great. I'm going to try also. Before leaving, I decided to have complimentary coffee with the complimentary cookies. I'm enjoying being here in the terrace. By the way, it's non-smoking room. You cannot smoke in the terrace, you cannot smoke inside of the room. Overall, I can say I enjoyed this experience so much, especially this view. It's definitely a romantic place, and it's very good for any function. For birthday, marriages, anything. It's something else. I enjoy food, I enjoy service, I enjoy location, of course, I enjoy facilities. I just didn't do massage, but I didn't have enough time. But overall, for me, 10 out of 10. You will never regret, and you will always remember stay here in Escala Hotel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep safe, like and share with your friends. Bye!